So it is expression generator. Entering from garage. This is a washing area, utility area. This is domestic quarters, and that is the toilet for domestic. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Kitchen, that is living area. This is living area, powder room, puja room. The outside they are putting the fence in the backyard. So this is the living dining area. So this is the main kitchen and the dining area side. And this is the living room. That's the main entrance. Entertainment TV area. Coat closet. This is the main entrance. Double height ceiling with a fluted glass door. This is one room, front facing smaller room. The master bedroom. There's a walkout door to the front garden. But you see there is the west facing unit. So this is the bathroom. Bathrooms are pretty standard, so nothing to really fall ceiling. They are not put yet, but fall ceiling on the provision is made. So again back to living area. That's the lift provision. This is the full height area below the storage area. So the view from staircase looking into the living and dining area, and that's the kitchen door. So this is the staircase to first floor. This is the first floor living area. Which one? And this is the walk-out door to balcony. Common balcony to both the master bedroom and first floor living room. Again back here, this is the master bedroom, which is west facing, or the west side, or the west end. Master bedroom. And what we see there is the SOBHA Lifestyle. That's the compound between Oakshire and Lifestyle, and those are the Lifestyle villas. This is the walk-in closet area, full 11 feet high, and this is the master bedroom, bathroom with clear story window, so that I'll try to catch it. So this is the window. Again, closet area. So this is to the balcony from the bedroom, and you can see the down. This is the back side, and this is where the private, the backyard fence is coming. So they are doing it. Inside first floor, foyer area. So this is the view to down below. This is the chandelier provision, and this is another master bedroom which is front facing, and this is actually high ceiling. And the front balcony, lantern box, this is the normal street view. Here it comes. This is the, so again back to the, this is the bathroom with the closet area, walk-in closet, and that's the bathroom with another clear story here, that you can see there. This is also high ceiling. This can be converted into attic space here. Here also we can make the attic here. In a walk-in closet on the top can be fully made into a storage area. And so this is the view of the front-facing master bedroom. And now going to the smaller bedroom, which is same as the ground floor one, front facing. So same size, exact same size. You can see the other parts of the Oakshire development. You can see the Tudor front elevation finish also. Bathroom, standards on it. See that again. From the foyer area, you can see the staircase. This is the staircase now to terrace. Here is a place to put the Kubera Mula, elevator shaft, elevator opening, and this is the exit to terrace. There is a wash basin provision. And this is the terrace as we walk out. That's the clay story window for the back side, and that's the clay story window for the other one, the front facing, and that's the high ceiling part. And this is the terrace, and this is the headroom part of it. In 311, you will not see any of the villas. You see Miyawaki forest area, which is that one. So it's like that. So no houses to the back side. So it's a full privacy at unit number 311. This is a fantastic view of all the houses when we see it from the top. And you can see the Tudor finish all over the place. And a very nice color scheme as well.